Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and there's an update version 2.2, and there's for the NOM file there are now thumbnails here in the preview. So when you open here your file manager, you see here thumbnails, and here are no thumbnails because this is an old NOM file and this is a new NOM file. Okay, so we have to open Nomad Sculpt, and here I open a project, maybe this one. Okay, so here you see here test unwrap NOM 2, so, and I press here save. So now the NOM file is updated here, this one. And so let's see, cute animal number 1. So open. So this one. So at the moment there's no thumbnail preview, and so I save it. So then it jumps to the top, and here is the new preview NOM file. Okay, so if you have a lot of files, then it's possible. So here on my iPad in the Nomad folder, you find here a folder called data. And here in the data folder there's a projects folder here, and here are all your NOM files stored. So I close here the Nomad app, and this can take a lot of time when you recalculate the data. So here in the data, so here delete this projects folder. So now it's deleted. So I restart Nomad Sculpt. So, and it takes a while. So it generates the thumbnails and creates the new files. Okay, so so now in my projects folder, all files are updated with the thumbnails. So that's the way to convert all files to the new NOM file. Okay, that's it. Have fun with sculpting, and ciao.